recalling the universal. It's there? Okay. Recalling the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Okay, I'll start it with this. Sorry. Okay. Draft Resolution 2.1. Authors Denmark, USA, and Israel. Signatories all present countries. The General Assembly recalling the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which guarantees the right to life, liberty, and security of. Agreed to it. Yeah, yeah. The first. Recalling the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which guarantees the right to life, liberty, and security of a person, the relevant provisions of International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, and other relevant human rights conventions. Clause number 1 calls for the establishment of a clear strategy on how to combat gender-based violence with the collaboration with other agencies, governments, and organizations. Clause number 2, encouraging existence of labor focus. Just a second. Encouraging existence of labor focused NGOs and supports their capacity in victim assistance and remediation. Third clause calls for the establishment of a separate fund to be created for educating and creating awareness of the LGBTQ plus community. The funding for the same would be through corporate CSR activities by the Nordic countries. Clause number 4, criminalizing hate speech, verbal abuse and slander used against the LGBTQ plus community. Clause number 5, increasing awareness of gender equality right from adolescence age group in schools and public forum as a part of the curriculum. Clause number 6, special provisions and laws to check the torture and the unlawful treatment of the LGBTQ plus community by the police and the law enforcing agencies. Clause number 7, recognizing a total ban on the malpractice of Bacha Bazari in country of Afghanistan and requesting the government to take strict actions against the same. Clause number 8, demanding the right of the same-sex couples to donate blood when they are clear of all the transmissible diseases according to the protocol laid down by WHO. Clause number 9, demanding the countries to allow the gender-neutral documents and adding others as an option in the forms. Clause number 10, formally proposing the training programs. Clause number 10. Formally proposing the training programs to all the accepting UN countries in the LGBT rights awareness and making the community stronger and confident worldwide. Clause number, okay, it's error. Yeah, 11. Demanding a total ban on the camps that claim to convert the LGBT to straight and strict action against people who operate such camps. Clause number 12. Further, after spreading awareness of sexual orientation, advertising of various methods of safe sex in the variable orientations on a mass form. Clause number 13, engaging in public advocacy of decriminalization and other measures necessary to strengthen human rights protection for LGBT persons, including through speeches and statements, newspaper articles, video messages, fact sheets, and distribution of various other materials. Clause number 14, proposing equal status and treatment to LGBT asylum seekers as to the other refugees in the facilities. Clause number 15, encouraging existence of labor focus NGOs and support the capacity in victim assistance and remediation. It's repetitive, we will make the amendment.
USA, do you have the word file?
I have the word file which means we make the amendments.
If there are amendments that are coming
my very first question to the authors of this bill is why the capital punishment is, I need to be, we request to remove the add the clause that capital punishment should be removed from the country, the country which are practices by the LGBTQ. Like we do understand that there are some laws which are country, there is a faithful reason, maybe there is a faithful reason, but we think that capital punishment is too harsh for the people who are supporting the LGBTQ.
Yeah. So, you are not referring to any particular clause, I assume? Yeah. So, it's a friendly amendment, we are open to it. Just write it down to us.
Thank you.
Yes. I have a doubt in one clause. I don't know the clause number, but there was a mention that it was like there would be a ban on the camps that are going to. Yeah, the last one.
Last one.
So it states that there is a total ban on camps that claim to convert LGBT to straight. So it's a personal choice of a person whether if he wanted to get converted or it's. So how can be there a complete ban on the camps?
I guess you are misinterpreting what the word camp means. There are many camps that are organized illegally which claim that LGBT people can be treated and converted into straight with help of electric shocks or any religious therapies that. We are asking for a blanket ban on such camps who are torturing LGBT and trying to convert them into straight.
So you should change your statement that there should not be a total ban on the camps but on the illegal camps that are
No,
forcing.
that practice itself is illegal.
It's a personal choice, right?
How can you justify someone going into camp? Not an LGBT person would rather accept himself than go to a camp. He's usually forced into a camp. First thing. Whatever. Second thing is when the practices that happen in camps are usually range anything from torture to electric shocks to religious therapies. So the person is already normal. The person doesn't have a disease. Why does he need to go to the camp for the first thing? I hope you're understanding what I'm saying.
It's more of a friendly agreement or amendment. A suggestion to increase the scope of the definition of SOGI community by adding that the people of SOGI community can be born with or during the life of the person develop such an orientation.
Could you just concise your question, your suggestion for amendment?
We just want to make a suggestion that to increase the scope of the definition of SOGI community by adding that the people of the SOGI community can be born with or during the life of the person develop such an orientation.
But such definitions already do exist in the UNHRC charters, which was pointed out in the committee. So we don't think that there should be a special mention of the same.
We'll reply to you through chip format, that's okay.
Yeah, sure. That works. Yeah, yeah.
Thanks.